Hey guys, welcome out to the channel. Today it is early morning. As you guys can see, it is fairly dark still out here, and we're out in the rabbit area. Exciting day today. One of our rabbits is going to be having her babies today. She's already started to pull her fur, and she's just sitting down there. It's still kind of dark, so we're still really early. Actually, she's just had 2 babies. I see them right now. Either 1 or 2, I can't tell. So this was even earlier than we expected. Let me see if I can get some light for you guys. There's like 3 of them, I think. 4, maybe 4 little baby bunnies. And there's none on the grate anywhere, which is awesome. So we were really worried about this. This is our first one, but she's doing awesome. If you guys can see, she's pulled all of her hair. And now she's taking care of them just like a good mama. And I think that Snowy here is going to be the next one due. She's supposed to have them this weekend as well. So she's getting ready. She's got her nest box all set up and got it all prepared. Are you excited, girl? Hey, down here. There you go. Are you excited? Then next up is Buns. She's all black. She's hard to see inside her nesting box. But she's due next week too. So hopefully that everything works out. And we'll keep an eye on this. And just see how everything goes. She's doing good. Everything's going as planned. So there they are, all in the back of the nesting box, all tucked underneath her fur. She's over here just eating a little bit of a snack, and then she'll hop back in there and keep on taking care of them. This was really exciting. She started pulling fur, and then within the hour she started having her babies, and I think she's had all of them. And there she goes.
She's smelling it. This way wants to see your babies. Hey, come on. Should I put it in her box? Cause okay, she's eating it. Pull it away from her. I don't think she's ever gonna get out of that for a while. I'm tan-holing the eyes.
Fireworks show.
What did they look like?
She did good.
Dude, she has so much fur. Why did she rip off so much fur?
Oh.
I saw half of one. It was like,
I'm really interested in seeing how many they have.
oh,
Black.
can I pet it? Can I pet one?
I'm trying to see how many there are.
That one's so sad. What if she like has 40?
Their bellies are full too.
There's 2.
Yeah, they said that if they don't have any wrinkles, that it's a good thing. That means that they're like, if their bodies aren't wrinkled.
Aww. Did you have 3 babies or not? 4. What if she had 5? Dude, that would be a bunch.
She had 1 5.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh,
That was all speckled.
That's the coolest one I've
Can I
ever
try
seen.
petting one of them?
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Is it TV 10?
Could be actually, dude.
7.
7. It's C.
8.
8. If it's 10 babies,
9.
9.
I think it's just 9. Yep.
Just
Can you
9.
take a picture?
9 little
Like that
babies.
one, Mom. I don't think like that one. Take a picture of that one.
They are. They're really finding their way back
really
to
wrinkly,
it.
though.
We gotta be careful, or not careful, but we gotta.
I just whipped over. Mom, I think this one's my
Watch out,
favorite
buddy.
right there. The one that's just going in circles and eating the other one.
It looks like it's gonna be black, which is really cool.
Yeah, especially since the one that we bred it with was white.
Oh, that was so cute. Mom, I really like those babies.
We are on day 2 of our rabbit watch, and we are going to check and see how Miss Louise is doing, along with, what are you doing up there? Along with all of her little babies. Let's go ahead and go in and we'll see how everybody's doing. Also gotta feed everybody. We'll go ahead and remove a bunch of this stuff. We'll just check on them. Ooh, that one's a full baby. That's 2. 3. Where you at? 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And 9. So if you guys can see them, what I'm looking for is their bodies being wrinkly, and as you can tell, they're all really pretty tight, unless they're bent, but their skin's all pretty tight everywhere, and so that means that they're all getting fed, and looks like they're all doing pretty good. All of them are warm. 9 of them are there, so that's really good. So we'll just kind of put them all back and let them keep doing their own thing. They're doing good. So we're on day 2 of the rabbits being born, and they're all doing really well. We'll go ahead and check in about a week or 2 and see what the progress is on them. And I'll show you guys along the way them getting bigger and stuff like that, and we'll just see at what points they open up their eyes, when they start crawling around, when they start wreaking havoc on us, and we'll start putting them in when they get bigger. We'll start putting them in the other rabbit runs so that they can get some exercise and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more of the videos of these little babies being born and just getting older. And thanks guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you guys later.